Using PubMed will be the most direct way to finding full-text articles. First, you will need a MyNCBI account. You'll start by going to this login at the top of the PubMed homepage. I use a Google account to log in. There are other login options, and if you don't have a MyNCBI account, you can sign up right here. After logging in, you will want to set up your outside tool. So follow these steps. After logging in, you will see your account in the upper right-hand corner, and you will want to go to the dashboard. And once you get to the dashboard, you will want to select NCBI Site Preferences. You will want to find the PubMed preferences and go to Outside Tool. Select I for Intermountain Healthcare. And you will want to make sure to check the box. In the next video, I'll show you how this works when searching in PubMed.